Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello Classics peoples, how are you? I hope you are fine and I'm fine too. Welcome to today's lesson, a mathematics lesson where we are going to look at division of mixed fraction. Let me take you back to division of fractions. We said when you are dividing fractions, for example, 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8. We said when we are dividing fractions, step 1, you change the division sign to multiplication, then you multiply by the reciprocal of the dividend or the number that you are dividing with. So to divide fractions, you take the first fraction, multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is a reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal of a fraction is the inverse of the fraction. For example, if it is 2 over 3, reciprocal of 2 over 3 we said is 3 over 2. Very good. 3 over 2. So when we are dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal of the dividend. For example, in this case, 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8 can be written as, this is the same as 1 over 4. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication, times, then you take the reciprocal of this fraction, so to be times 8 over 3. The reciprocal of 3 over 8 is 8 over 3. So from there you simplify by 4, 1 by 4, 2. So 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8 is the same as 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 3, which is 3. So 1 over 4 times 3 over 8 is the same as 2 over 3. That is what we said in the previous lesson. So let's look at mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a fraction that consists of a whole number and a fraction. For example, divide 2 and a half divided by 3 and a quarter. 2 and a half divided by 3 and a quarter. In this case, step 1, convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. That is the first step. Convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. How do we convert mixed fractions to improper fractions? So 2 and a half is the same as you multiply 2 times 2 and we add. We multiply and we add. We multiply and we add. So it is 2 times 2 plus 1. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this one will be 5 over 2. The same denominator. So that is how we convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. 3 and 1 over 4, so we say you multiply and you add. Multiply here down, then you add at the top. So this is 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is 5 over 2 divided by 13 over 4. So when dividing mixed fractions, first, convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. That is how we do. Step 2. Now we go back to where what we had said previously. Convert, change the multiplication, the division sign to multiplication. Change division sign to multiplication. Change the division sign to multiplication, and immediately after changing the division sign to multiplication, you convert the divisor into the reciprocal. You get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this one can be written as 5 over 2 multiplied by, what is the reciprocal of 13 over 4? The reciprocal of 13 over 4 is 4 over 4 over 13. So that is now the third step. We say the first step, change the mixed numbers or the mixed fractions to improper fractions. After that, change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the second fraction, the fraction that you are dividing with. Then from there we simplify by 2, 1 by 2, 2. So what is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 is 10 over 1 times 13 is 13. So this is 10 over 13. That is 10 over 13. Let me give you another example and the last example. The last example. Divide 2 and a third divided by 1 and 1 over 6. 2 and a third divided by 1 and 1 over 6. 2 and a third divided by 1 and 1 over 6. What is the first step, class? The first step, you convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. How do we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? You multiply and you add. Multiply and add. So we say 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? 6. 6 plus 1. And this is 7 over 3. You still retain 3 divided by. We have not yet changed this one to improper to a multiplication. We are first doing the first step, changing the mixed numbers to improper fractions. We multiply and add. So this is 1 times 6. What is 1 times 6? 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So this is divided by 7 over 6. So convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Step number 2, change the division sign to multiplication. And after changing the division sign to multiplication, get the reciprocal of the next fraction. So 7 over 3 divided by 7 over 6 is the same as 7 over 3. Change the division sign to multiplication, then get the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of 7 over 6? Is 6 over 7. Then from there we simplify by 7, 1 by 7, 1. By 3, 1 by 3, 2. Then we multiply. 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1. 2 over 1 is the same as 2 whole number. So generally what we are saying is, when dividing the mixed fractions, first convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. After converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then change the division sign to multiplication, then get the reciprocal of the second fraction. That is how we divide mixed numbers. Thank you.